Hi everyone, today we're going to look at two beauty boxes, the boxycharm and the LookFantastic beauty box. Unfortunately, I don't have a glossy box this month. I messed up with my orders and I didn't get one for the month of December. So let's just start with these. First of all, I got fake eyelashes on. And I've had such a hard time with them, but I just thought that this headband required eyelashes. This is fun. All right, so let's start with the boxycharm. I thought that the boxycharm this month was awfully thin, which is kind of odd, but I did sign up for a special plan, and I'll put the name of the plan right here, where I think once a quarter they add on to this box. So you get the regular 5 full-size products, a few more, or get an extra additional box. I don't know how that works yet, but I can't wait to share that with you. The inside is lovely and pink. The card, instead of giving me a booklet, they usually just give you this card, and the card tells you everything that's in it and how to use it. The boxycharm, all the products are American products, whereas the LookFantastic are European products. Boxycharm tries to have cruelty-free products and clean products on most of their items. But I wanted to start with this. It's the REALHER eyeshadow palette. And oh my goodness, I decided to wear it. It says Dreams So Big, just lovely, with shades like dream, envision, ambition, encourage, aspiration, just lovely shades. I actually have it on today. I'll close my eye right there. Forgive the crazy eyelashes. If you know me and know my channel, you know that I'm not about perfection. It's just doing your best and making you happy. So if my eyelashes are not in good standing and perfect, who cares? I have to live with it, not you. So then they sent a little thank you card. Okay, we here at REALHER donate a part of our proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership advocacy, education, and research here in the US. Now I want to show you how I applied my eye makeup using this palette. Enjoy! REALHER Dreams So Big eyeshadow palette. These 9 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades are infused with avocado oil, coconut oil, and other vegan powerhouse ingredients for hydration and anti-aging properties. Not perfect, but fun enough for today. STUDIOMAKEUP Hyaluronic Acid. If you can see right there, all the benefits it has, the formulation, how to use on the side. This is a beautiful ampoule. Look at that. Clear and well defined. It's just so pretty. So pretty. Hyaluronic acid just brings water to the skin. It's a well-proven product. It's very slippery as you put it on. It feels like a gel, but a super slippery gel. I don't know how easy it soaks in. It does a good job sucking in. And the stickiness is not there, which is good. It will soak right in. Very nice. STUDIOMAKEUP Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. The perfect serum for all ages. This highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works to quickly reverse the effect of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. And the selling price of that one is $45. Vanilla Balm Lip Mask. It's smells like thyme or some herb, actually. More herby than vanilla-y. I have lipstick on, so I'm just gonna try on my skin again. It is a thick, balmy. I don't smell the vanilla at all, which is nice because vanilla is such a strong scent. As you can see, it leaves it very oily. So it's good to put on and sleep with it. I will definitely be using this winter. Wish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with Bakuchiol. Don't know what that is. This rich and buttery smooth mask melts deep into the lips as you sleep, providing long-lasting, intense moisturization. And that's $32. The TYNT eye cream and concealer. Super excited about that. A 2-in-1 product. It appears to be how this TYNT brand works. They usually try to use one or more functions to their product. It has this beautiful, look at that, so pretty. The packaging is impeccable. It always has like this little ombre color from the bottom on up, and even the little plastic cap has that little darker color instead of just a white cap. The dispenser is flat, so you can place it under the eyes gently. So it will be both cream for under eye and a cosmetic concealer. Very nice. I will try it later on and let you guys know how I feel about the color and consistency. Tint Beauty Hydrating Tinted Eye Cream is a sheer color correcting eye cream that doubles as both eye cream and concealer. The buildable sheer formulation evens out the tone while hydrating the skin with skin perfecting ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, squalene, and apple extract. Use as desired for a well hydrated and supple finish that reduces the appearance of under eye circles, and that is $24. Last month, or maybe a couple months ago, we had another tint product which was a dual use. So I think maybe that is one of the things that they do, is they try to use multiple products into one. I like that. And the last product from the box, the Luna Liner. Certified vegan, cruelty-free, no gluten. Would gluten affect you if you put it in your eyes? Sometimes I wonder about these claims, but let's see what it does. Waterproof, oh, I have to unwrap it. It's a waterproof eyeliner, so, and it is vegan, so it won't smear off. Great if you have both oily skin or eyes that tend to water when you're putting makeup on. Or if you're out in the pool, which is not gonna happen, or in the snow when you have snow melting in your face. Moving on to LookFantastic Beauty Box. I think they came out, this was just a very pretty, elegant, festive box for December. I really like it. They are doing a great job, just like Glossy Box, of keeping things nice and well packaged so that when we receive it, nothing is ripped. Let's see what they got here. Okay, lots of things I'm already happy about. I thought they had an edit. Usually they have an edit. I might have misplaced the edit. I don't know where it is, but there are lots of things in it. First one, the STARSKIN VIP under eye, I think. This is an under eye gold mask eye. Okay, I love the STARSKIN VIP mask that they sent me before. Put a video here, link to a video where I used it, and it's like scrubbed and did like 5 different things. It was ideal for traveling. What a great product. That one, it's like 10 out of 10. I really enjoy that product. This one is for your eyes. Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Mask. Ooh, that just sounds fancy. I don't know if I want to put gold, but so many products put gold in their items. So looking forward to trying. If I ever try this, I will film myself and add it in some future video. You don't rinse this one off. You leave it on for 10 minutes and then just let it soak into your skin. Also, because I did not go lay down with this, I've been walking around with it. I feel like it keeps sliding down and I have to kind of put it back, move it back up to the lash line. Otherwise, it's only gonna get my cheeks. So when you do this, you might want to lay down. I would love to do a STARSKIN VIP video. So LookFantastic, if you guys have some sort of collaboration with STARSKIN to have an entire box of their products, I would love to see it and receive it. Send me one and I'll put it online for my viewers. Ooh, another thing that is in here is your little sleepy mask. Could you believe that my entire life I've never had these sleeping masks? And I'm gonna tell you something that happened recently. So I have my house set up with Alexa. So every light bulb, well, most light bulbs, thermostats, the Ring, which is like a camera that shows me what's going on by my front door at all times, and I can communicate. Alexa's all over the house, you know, you imagine it, I have it. Changing colors and whatever. I love technology, so I really enjoy it. So the power went out one night, and oh my gosh, I'm so mad. When the power goes out and it comes back on, all of your lights that are tied to Alexa come back online, flash at 100% on. So in the middle of the night, the power comes back and lights are just going, and I'm like, okay, I can't. And of course I wake up and there goes my good night's sleep, which I get a pretty good night's sleep. I have a good system for sleeping. You need to watch this video, this video right here on sleep. It's a life changer. So anyway, I wake up with this, like, my light right on my eye, and it was just so miserable. So if I had this, that would not be a problem. So I had considered many a days to get myself a little face mask, and I know these things are probably not very expensive, but this is called GLOV Satin Sleeping Mask, and I think I just got some oil on it, which makes me so mad, but you know, it's pretty, and I'm sure it's washable. Has a little, and I love the color. It's nothing, you know, crazy. It's just elegant and beige. Love it. An ELEMIS. I have a YouTube friend who swears by ELEMIS. Unfortunately for me, it's not my favorite scent. I don't love the way the product smells. And this one right here is a Pro-Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. I have been saving up all of the ELEMIS collection because at one time I want to test them all, just the line completely, to see how it feels and how my skin reacts to it. But I have it. It's called the Spotlight. Look at that beautiful pearlescent. Look at that. That is fantastic. It is a pearlescent highlighter, but this would not be the kind of highlighter that you put on your face like what I have right now, but probably like for the inside of your eyes, or if you just want to do your waterline with that, probably would be so pretty. Ooh, highlighter pencil crayon sur luné. So in pearl, I will just draw it right here so you guys can see. Look at that. It's not particularly shiny. It's more white than shiny. I'm afraid because I can't see, so I'm afraid to do this. But I think it would be super cool to do like the insides here, kind of like here and here. I don't know, you guys tell me, could you see the difference? Anyway, I'm sure I can play with this, and in one of my videos when I put makeup on, I'll use it so you guys can take a look at it. From London. I love that I get to try all these European brands. This is so much fun. And it's called Haze. LOTTIE. It's a powder, and oh my goodness, look at that pigmentation. There is a lot of pigment here. I would use a kabuki brush to blend it because look at that crazy pigmentation. That's a lot. Okay, the last product that came on my LookFantastic box for December is something that also I do not own, and I've always wanted one because my friend Lisa uses it every day. Now, I don't know that she uses this specific product, but it is a shaving dermaplaning tool. It shapes your eyebrows and the peach fuzz. I'm scared of blades, but I definitely need it because I have some peach fuzz over my mustache area, and right here you can see it. And I have not been using my IPL to do that, which I should. I have 2 IPLs. I'll show you the video right here where you can see me comparing 2 IPLs. But I'm super stoked about this because I will try it. I will try to shape, maybe not shaping my eyebrows because I'm trying to let them grow wild, although there's a couple places here, but definitely the peach fuzz over my face. And I try to move it and nothing's coming out. So obviously I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video on it. Or just let it be. It's just my hair. Nobody can see it. If you enjoy different boxes and including clothing boxes, you should try watching some of these videos, or more beauty boxes, you try these.